Hi there, students. Acuity. Acuity. A noun. I think an uncountable noun, very definitely. Okay, acuity talks about the ability to think very clearly, to see very accurately, to hear very well. So I wear glasses because as we get older, our visual acuity decreases. He was a person of great philosophical acuity. Yeah, he was able to think philosophically extremely well, extremely clearly. As we get older, our mental faculties slowly deteriorate, and this affects our acuity or our mental acuity. I think if we use the word acuity without saying mental or visual or oral, then it's usually talking about our minds. So, keenness in either thought or vision. Yeah. His mental acuity meant that he could do these mathematical problems in his head. So keenness of perception. Okay, she's a person of great mental acuity. Yeah, I would like to find a way to improve my visual acuity. So the capacity of the eye to see fine details, yeah, or the capacity of the mind to see through things, to understand things very clearly. So, for example, a newborn baby doesn't have very good visual acuity, but as time goes on, then a baby's visual acuity improves. The pundit had great political acuity. He understood what was going on very clearly. I think, yes, emotional intelligence. This talks about emotional acuity. Yeah, to understand clearly how people are feeling and to react accordingly. Okay. Okay. So the people with mental acuity can do quite amazing things. So, sharp-sightedness, keenness, sharpness, acuteness, a mind like a steel trap. Yeah, someone with 20/20 vision has perfect visual acuity. So, both in mind and in vision. It could be as well. Yeah, his acuity of hearing is quite good. Let's see. As to origin, this word is related to acute. Yeah, acute meaning sharp or intense or sensitive. Yeah, in this case of meaning. Okay, so as your vocabulary and understanding of English increases, so does your acuity, ability to think in English. Formality. This is a rather formal word. I think I'd probably give it. I'm going to give it a 6.5. I think informally, sharpness, keenness. Yeah. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, in a semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. And then, as I said, it's related to the word acute, which comes from the Latin word acuo, to sharpen. Okay, so yeah, people of great mental acuity, yeah, people who are very sharp, they understand what's happening. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Acuity.